Morning, dear children. Welcome back again. In our last video, we have learnt about the family system and day-to-day life of Vedic people. Let us see what we are going to learn today in this lesson number 4. Children, people in the Vedic period, they used to wear cotton or woolen clothes. You all know what is woolen clothes and cotton clothes are. But they also used to wear valkalas. Valkalas are the clothes made from bark of tree. Similarly, animal skin were also used as clothing. People, men or women, used to wear ornaments of gold, flower garlands, strings made of beads. A kind of pendant called nishk seems to have been popular. It was also used as a currency. These are the instruments. You can see conch and other instruments in the picture. Can you see them? Yes. The main musical instruments were veena, shatatantu, cymbals means tal, and the conch. Conch means shankha. These pictures are given in your textbook also. These were the instruments they used to play for recreation, for change. They used to dance, they used to play board games. Chariot race means rath. Chariot means what? Rath. The picture of chariot is also given in the textbook. So these were the means of recreation. Children, you also need change. Nowadays, you all are sitting at home only and you are getting bored. So you also want change. So in the same way, these Vedic people used to work in the farms. They used to do agriculture, animal husbandry throughout the day. So for change, for recreation, they used to play games, they used to sing, and they used to play instruments and so on. Damru and mridanga were also used. Now, agriculture was the main occupation. You all know. Many oxen. Ox is one ox. Oxen means many oxen were used for plowing. Plowing means to work in the farm. You can see in picture. The Atharva Veda also considers insect, pest and other animals that used to destroy the crop. So for their remedies, in Atharva Veda you can read about the remedies. And cow dung was used as manure. Manure you also know, khat. Understood? And who used to destroy the crops? Insects, pests and many other small animals. During Vedic period, animals like horses, cows and dogs had special importance. They used to work a lot, and that is why animal husbandry is mentioned over here. Use of animals in their day-to-day life. Cows were used to exchange, so cows were highly prized. The horses was valued because of its speed. Therefore, they used to have chariots. They used to tame horses. Understood? Chariots, we can see picture of chariots. See, this is the rearing of animals, animal husbandry. Can you see? Yes. Then, this is chariots. Because of the speed of the horses, they used to make use of chariots. There were spoked wheels which were lighter. And because they were lighter, they were more in speed. Swift and speedy. Understood? So along with this animal husbandry, agriculture, they also have several other activities like artisans were there. So they used to establish a market which was known as shrenis or guilds, and there were the head of the Shrenis who used to look after the market, was known as Shreshti. Understood? So this is the picture of market, which was known as Shrenis. And who was the head of the Shreni? Shreshti. Understood, you all? So today in this part 4.3 we have learnt about the agriculture, animal husbandry, and the third one is their economic and social life. Understood? In market, the artisans and other occupations played an important part. They formed their independent organization known as Shreni. And who was the head of the Shreni? Shreshti. These things we have learnt. Then we also have learnt about the ornaments, the garments of the Vedic people, and the means of entertainment, the means of recreation also we have seen. Children, during this period, there were 4 Varnas. Brahmanas, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. These are the picture of Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishya and Shudra. These Varnas was determined by the occupation of the people. In the later period, the Varnas came to be determined on the basis of their birth. In the next picture, you can see Brahmanas were on the top, then Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas, and then in the last were the Shudras, and therefore this gave rise to casteism. And the caste system led to inequality in the society. In today's situation, what do we say in preamble? What is said? We all are same, we all are equal. But in ancient times, during this Vedic civilization period, due to these 4 Varnas, this gave rise to casteism. Understood? In our next video, we will learn about the 4 stages of life. 4 stages of life and the religious and political system in Vedic period. Till then, see you children. Bye bye children.